Hello guys, today we're gonna look at my primary weapon for CKB. It shoots with solenoid valve, which is controlled by Arduino that can be powered by 7.4 LiPo battery. I also can program it for the different time delays similar to the Polarstar FCU. It works like muzzle loader. The air plugs in the back of the solenoid. I can't show you the live firing, but I will show you how solenoids work. The trigger is very sensitive. I'm using my test battery, but the real one can be stored in the hand grip. That's it, so goodbye.